Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and we're going to be doing another quick video of cooking with John. It's going to be doing something simple for everybody, just so they know how to do stuff. So what we're going to do is we're just going to be opening up a whole kernel corn, a can of whole kernel corn, and I'm going to show you how to cook it really quick. It's going to be really easy, even for you kids that living in college dorms can do it. Okay, so what you do is you're going to have to get a can opener. Okay, and you buy a can opener, you'll be good to go, so you can do future cooking with it. Okay, there's a lot of things that you can do. I'm going to be showing you, but it's always good to have a can opener. Once you get the can opener, what you're going to do is you open up the can, and then you're going to dump the contents right into there. Okay, and don't worry about all the juice. You want to keep that juice. Okay. All right, empty it out really quick. There you go. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this plastic container, and this plastic container is going to be really good because you can eat from it once you're done, once I show you, and then you can put it back in your small little refrigerator that you have in your dorm room. Okay? Now, I've already cooked up another small plastic container to save time for the video, so it's right over here. Okay, so this is already done. So what you want to do after you cook it, you want to pretty much basically, you're not going to dump the contents, but you're going to get rid of the juice, okay? And I'm only working with one, so you're going to try to dump it, okay? Get rid of that, okay? Okay, so you're going to have that left, okay? Now, what I usually do, I love corn. I come from a place where I have corn in the cob, okay? But, I also like whole kernel corn as well. So I usually put a small little piece of butter, and then I'll put it back into the microwave again and let the butter mix in with the corn, okay? And you can do that. Now, this is really good. So what I'm saying is that whatever you don't eat, you can put back into your fridge, and you can snack on it later. I love to snack on vegetables like corn, lettuce, peas. I love all that stuff. So this is a great way, and it tastes really good. Now, you don't have to have a pot in the oven, okay? You can have the microwave. It only takes 2 minutes. I recommend 2 minutes. 3 minutes, 4 minutes is way too much. 2 minutes is actually pretty good. Now, as far as how many times you should reheat it or store it, maybe one, max 2 days, and then I would just reheat it once. So you just cook a little bit at a time. Okay, but it's a great way, save time, and also these plastic containers, they're really good. You can put them in your small little dorm refrigerator that you guys got. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. I really appreciate it. Hey, be sure to check out my YouTube channel playlist with Cooking with John, some more helpful hints and some food hacks. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.